What is up, YouTube? No shame. And a lot of people have been asking me what exhaust setup I have, so I'm going to get underneath the car and show you what I did. And sorry about the movement of the camera, guys. Alright, so first of all, as you guys can see here, this is where the resonators were. I deleted those. I did a straight pipe on both sides. And then, as you can see, the weld job that the shop did, very satisfied. So far it's held up pretty well. Now I'm gonna go underneath to show you what the Magna packs look like. So hopefully I can get them on camera. And I believe, well, I did two Magna packs. So there you go, guys. The weld job, very good weld job. I don't know if these are 8-inch. Sorry about the movement, guys. Again. All right, here we go. So now I'm gonna hand the camera to my daughter. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna do a cold start. I'm gonna try and see if I can show you guys on camera with this app, what the decibels, how loud this magnaflow is on a cold start. So let me go turn that on. There you go, guys. It's reading anywhere between 95 to 100, and on average says it's 90. So not crazy loud. Like I told you guys, that's what I wanted. I wanted something a little more subtle. I didn't want something as loud because I live in a community here. I don't want to make a bunch of noise, but I know it's a V6. I don't want it to sound like a V8. I'm happy with V6. I know what I have. So next, what we're going to do is we're going to do some drive-bys of me driving the vehicle, and I'm going to walk my daughter to the sidewalk, and then I'm going to drive by.
Here we go. There it goes.
Alright, well there you have it, guys. Sorry about the traffic. Normally there's not that much traffic on that street, but of course the day I decide to do a video, a ton of traffic. Alright guys, thanks for watching.